Next, we go on to two-dimensional line clipping. Okay. What do we mean by line clipping? Okay. Say I have this as the clip window. Okay. And I have a line, P1, P2. Okay, this is within the clip window. I have this line P1, P2. Okay, should I draw this line in the display screen or not? Since the entire line is inside the clipping window, even in the display that is on my monitor, I will be drawing P1, P2. Okay, now we'll take another example. Okay, suppose I have this as the line. Okay, should this line be drawn in the display window? Okay, we see that this line is completely outside the clipping window. Okay, if this is the clipping window, when this is the clipping window, we see that this line is completely outside. And so in the display, this line will not be drawn. Is that clear? Okay, yeah. Now, say I take a third line. Say this is my clipping window. I take a third line. Say it is like this. Okay. Now, what is it that should be drawn on my screen? Can I draw the entire line now? The entire line is not inside the clipping window, so I cannot draw. Okay. Is the entire line completely outside? No. The entire line is only partially inside. Okay. Since it is partially inside, we should be able to draw that part of the line which is inside. That is this part, what you have. Okay. This is inside the clipping window. So in the output, I should be able to draw that part of the line. Okay. Is this clear? Fine. Now, when, say I take a fourth example, I have another line like this. Okay. Now, what about this line? Now, again here, this part of the line is outside the clipping window. And again, this part is inside and this part is outside. Okay. So what should my clipping algorithm do? It should remove out this part. It should remove out this part. It should draw only the part that is inside. That is, only this much should be drawn. Clear? So proportionately, whatever is seen will be drawn in the window. Okay. This is what our clipping algorithm will do. Okay. That is our 2D line clipping algorithm will do this. Okay. The same thing. Okay. Whatever we have discussed, I'm just repeating it once again. Okay. We have this line. We have this window. We have this as my clipping window. I take this line P1, P2. Now, since P1, P2, the line is totally inside the clipping window, in the display on the right side, what I have is after the clipping, what will be shown on the screen. Okay. So, since P1, the line P1, P2 is totally inside, this will be displayed on the screen. Okay. We take a second example, that is P3, P4. Now, this line P3, P4 is totally outside. So, in this output screen, what we see, the line will not be shown. Okay, so P3, P4, the line, nothing will be displayed on the screen. Okay, we take the third example, P5, P6. Okay, now P5, P6, we see that a part of this line here is outside the clipping window. Okay, so we find the point of intersection here, this point, which is intersect the line, part of the line that is intersecting the boundary, that is P5 dash. Okay, say this in point of intersection is P5 dash. Okay, so the line from P5 to P5 dash is to be eliminated, and the line from P5 dash to P6 is what is to be displayed on the screen. So that is what you see on the right side. Clear? Now we take another line P7 to P6. Sorry, P7, P8. Okay, that is this line. Okay, now here again we see that this part of the line from P7 to say P7 dash is outside the clipping window, and so that part is to be clipped out or to be eliminated. Again, the line P7, P8 intersecting with the boundary is say P8 dash. Okay, again the line from P7 dash to P8 dash is inside the clipping window, and so that will be drawn on the screen. Okay, now again the part of the line P8 dash to P8 is totally outside, and so that part will not be shown on the screen. Okay, we take another example, P9, P10. Okay, now again here we see that it is totally outside, and so nothing will be shown on the screen. Okay, so these are the different type or different cases that we will be facing, or any clipping algorithm will be facing. So what are the main problems that are faced by a line clipping algorithm? Okay, the main or the maximum time that is spent by a clipping algorithm is in calculation of these intersection points. Okay, if the total line is inside, it is clear. If it is totally outside, it is clear. Okay, when the lines are partially inside and partially outside, it becomes difficult or time consuming to find out which part of the line is inside the clipping window and which is outside. So these calculations of these intersection points like P5 dash, P7 dash, P8 dash, okay, that should be minimized as far as possible. Okay, so we have different line clipping algorithms that have come up. Okay, so the major goal of all these line clipping algorithms is to minimize the intersection calculations. Okay, now under line clipping algorithms, we have two main algorithms. One is Cohen-Sutherland algorithm. Okay, and the second is Liang-Barsky algorithm. Liang-Barsky. Okay, these are Barsky. Okay, these are the two main line clipping algorithms that we have. Okay, but of course in the syllabus we have only Cohen-Sutherland line clipping algorithm. The same thing we will be implementing in the lab also, and this is a very important question. We will see this in tomorrow's class.